I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Audrey Rose. If you're new here, welcome, and please subscribe to my channel. If you're not new here, welcome back, and we're here again for another little chit chat. Get ready with me. I did like this look inspired by India Love, and my hair is inspired by Arrogance and Audry. I'll show you guys the pictures and the little inspo. And after this video, I'm actually doing a photo shoot inspired by India Love and Anthony X Rated. Yeah, just make sure you subscribe so you can see that video, because I'm doing a video of the whole thing, the whole process of making the outfit and the little at-home DIY photo shoot. Yeah, definitely stay tuned, and if you want to get into this makeup look, just keep watching. Hey babes, so I just fixed my hair. I did this hairstyle yesterday. I really love it, but I just wanted to know, like, if you guys want a tutorial on it or not. I did like the zigzag pattern. It was inspired by Audry and Tay. I just wanted to know, do the girls care about natural hair tutorials or not? You know, usually girls like this stuff when it's like wigs, so I don't know, let me know. But about to get into this makeup. I actually did this look yesterday and filmed the whole thing, and then I decided that I didn't like the video, and I actually didn't like the makeup. I'm gonna do it a little bit different today. I went and got some new lashes, and I'm gonna do some of the stuff just a little bit differently. Please let me know if you want to see how I did this hairstyle, because it was fun. It did take me a little bit, but it was fun. So let's get this foundation blended in. Y'all know it takes me about 10 years because I like my stuff super blended. Y'all know those little photo things going around Instagram where you can like add your picture to the story, and I added one of my daughter and I when she was 3, or no, I added one of when I didn't know I was pregnant yet, and it was like, and this girl responded, she was like, I didn't know till I was 3 months. Girl, I knew the first week. I don't know if I've ever talked about that. That's why I'm talking about it now, because I don't know if I've ever told you guys this, but I literally knew the first week. I think I did talk about this in my pregnancy Q&A video, but yeah, my boobs were so swollen I couldn't even function, and that's how I knew. I was like, this is not right. And my test was negative. My first test I ever took was negative, but I still knew. I swore up and down. I was like telling my boyfriend, I was like, ain't no way I'm not pregnant. Because it wasn't no like period kind of swollen. It was like everything hurt to the touch. It was like, do not touch me. Today I'm doing a really kind of full coverage, full highlight contoured look today. And that's what I didn't like about how I did it yesterday. I just didn't like snatch my face enough. I just used my e.l.f. primer and my NARS foundation. Blend that in real good, and then I'm gonna take my NARS. Why do I have like 3 old NARS concealers in here? I don't even know which one is new. Yeah, this one's the new one. My NARS concealer under the eye, and I'm really gonna let that kind of dry down, because I love when this concealer gets a little dried down. It's like the perfect coverage. Speaking of Instagram, I have decided that I'm not giving up, okay? If you watched my last Get Ready With Me, I think, I was talking about how Instagram gets on my nerves because I was consistent for like a good while doing everything they wanted me to do, and I wasn't seeing any growth. But I have decided not to give up, and I'm just going to create content organically. I'm no longer going to force it, because I create content organically for YouTube and I don't force it. But like when I feel like I was planning content for Instagram, it was very forced and I didn't like that. I'm just gonna do it like how I do it for YouTube. Just like, you know, when I do my get ready with me's, I'll take my pictures or whatever, and not be so stressed about feeling like I have to post 5 times a week, because honestly, I don't know. I don't know what's the actual deal with Instagram. Like how you're supposed to grow on there, whatever. I'm just gonna figure it out along the way. I'm not gonna stress about it because nobody got time for that. And something very exciting happened to me. I haven't even posted in like a month, honestly, on my feed, like not a picture. You know what, I'm gonna talk about it. It's not that big of a deal. I'm just not gonna say what it is, but I got my first brand deal, and I'm just very much excited about that because I was ready to give up on Instagram, but my feed is what got me my brand deal. So I'm just excited, and it makes me want to keep going, because if I could get like a ton of brand deals, oh my gosh, that would be amazing. If you follow me on Instagram, I think that you know what I'm talking about. But I just don't want to jinx it. I'm not trying to be like all gatekeep girl boss, but I really just don't want to jinx it. But to everybody who like, because I posted, I was like, hey, these guys need maternity influencers, will you go tag me in this post? Everybody who went and tagged me in that post, like, thank you so much. Seriously, thank you, because I don't think that I would have made it on her radar if I didn't have so many people go tag me on that post. So I'm just so grateful that you guys did that for me. So grateful. And like, I really want to do like a giveaway when I get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So I just did the NARS concealer and the e.l.f. concealer, my regular stuff, and then I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me to contour. And I'm probably gonna go a little extra with my contour today. Got you on my... Oh my gosh, you guys, I've been so deep in Britney Spears YouTube. Like, I've just been listening to all of her songs, and I love it there. Oh my gosh, when I was a kid, I don't even think that my mom at the time knew that much about Britney Spears, because I got her CD, whichever CD Toxic was on. I got her album for like Christmas or something, and I was listening to it. My little, how old was I? Probably 9 or 10. Oh my god, my ears were traumatized, but I was so intrigued. I was like, you're toxic, with me, huh? With the taste of you. Oh my god, literally had me in a chokehold. And then one time we were cleaning the house and I put the CD on blast, and my mom was like, what did I give my child? Yes, ma'am. I think that was my villain origin story. My mother giving me Britney Spears album. Hilarious. Okay, did I tell you guys what makeup look I'm doing? I'm doing India Love and Anthony X Rated. They did a photo shoot, and I'm actually recreating the whole shoot. So that's what we're here for. I'm doing her makeup. She does like super highlight, contour, snatched Instagram baddie. So this is the makeup look we're going for. Maybe you can tell. I mean, it's like regular, but she did do bottom lashes, and she did like white liner on the inside of her eye. And then this is the shoot we're recreating, and the shoot was by Anthony X Rated, so that's his Instagram. And I'm gonna link all this stuff down below because I totally want to give them, the photographer, her credit for all this. So I think I want to do a little, just to get a little extra. Actually might put it on the back of my hand, warm it up like this. This is Morphe Dimension Effect Contour Stick in Effect 14. So, and I'm just gonna like deepen, try to, yeah, deepen this a little bit. I don't mind it being a little much because, you know, we're doing like HD makeup for like a whole shoot. I'm not really going anywhere, so if it's a little much, it's all right. It's all right. And I am gonna contour this 10 pounds that I've gained on my face. So yeah, giving myself a jawline because it's non-existent. You know, I just realized it's like 10 o'clock. I could like go out tonight. I could like put on an outfit and go out. I might do that. Let me hit up my friends. My one friend actually. So high, can't come down. It's in my head and it's all around. Patting out these creases. I'm gonna take a little bit of powder just to do a light set. That's so funny. I text my friend if she's working. She's like, yes, are you okay? I'm like, yes, girl. I just wanted to leave my house. You know, is that okay? I'm gonna do these eyebrows. I'll be right back because I need to focus. Okay, I need to focus. Brows are done and I'm going to bronze. And then we can work on these eyes, guys. I'm excited for this look. It's so cute. It's super contoured. Super duper contoured, but it's gonna look so pretty for pictures. And then we're doing like a caramely brown lip. It's gonna look so cute. There's not much to do with the eyes. There's just top lashes, bottom lashes. Oh, but the waterline. I did the white yesterday and I did not like that. So I'm thinking of doing like a skin colored one. I don't know, we'll see. This is a lip liner, but I've honestly never used it because it's so light. It looks crazy on me. But let me see if I can try to do I mean, it's cool, but I think the white is definitely more prominent. I mean, it makes a difference, but not a huge difference. I think I'm still gonna do the white. I guess I wasn't like a big fan of it yesterday, but we'll try it again. We'll try it again. And honestly, I did it after I put my lashes on, which was like a big mistake. So. Okay, I don't think it looks bad. I'm just gonna make sure to blend my lashes out. Then I'm actually gonna put some mascara on first because I just feel like that's what I need. And then which lashes are we doing, guys? Let's see. These are like super wispy and cool. I think it'll be cool for a shoot. Before I take them off the thing, I like to like go in the lash line and literally just like go back and forth over it so that it'll get fluffy, you know, and not all clumpy at the lash line, you know what I'm saying? That's gonna be cute and dramatic. This band is kind of thick, but it's not too thick. I hate thick banded thick banded eyelashes. I just can't get with it. I don't know how the girls be wearing them super HD crazy lashes. Like, that should be blowing me. I can't even put them on. I feel like you gotta use like hair glue for them to even stick. I mean, but the girls do be using hair glue. Not me. One time I went to this makeup artist and she tried to put hair glue on my lashes, and I was like, no ma'am. She was like, oh my gosh, I haven't even used lash glue for lashes in forever. I use this for like rhinestones and stuff. I'm like, girl, no, you will not. I will do this myself, because I love the way I put my lashes on myself. They just look so natural. Okay, I just put my lashes on, and these are like a lot for me, but I actually really like the look. It looks so much better than what I had on yesterday. I had on like some thinner lashes, and I just think this type of look looks just so much better with like some eye-opening lashes. So now I'm gonna take these Ardell Zora Lash, just the little tiny lashes, and I'm gonna place like 3 on each bottom. I like how it gives like that baby doll effect. Feeling real baby doll. Mascara to blend. I'm gonna come back to the eyes and like fix that later, like the mascara that I just messed up. But we are gonna do a caramel lip. So let me sharpen this. I'm using Morphe Bite Me. It's brown. And then I'm gonna mix it with a lighter color to make it caramel. So and then I'm mixing it with, this is First Base by Morphe. Pretty caramely brown color. I love this combo. I'm gonna keep it real. These Morphe lipsticks make me get those like dryness in the inner creases of my lips, and I don't like that. But I think we're done, guys. Let me just spray my face. This is the finished look, guys. How do we like it? I think it's super, super sexy and cute. Oh my gosh. So you have to let me know if you want a tutorial on this hair for natural hair, because I don't wear wigs. I just don't, okay? But I can give you a little natural hair tutorial, okay? That's what I can do. Oh my gosh, I love the caramel lip and like the baby doll eyes. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to the end. If you're still here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. The next video I'm uploading will be a little DIY at-home photo shoot with this look, and I'm making my own outfit as well. So yes, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.